Nobody had more respect than I did for Jim Tressel. Now the NCAA says he has no integrity. He's a liar. How do you continue to coach? Now, Terrell Pryor said in a tweet that, hey, we got your back, coach. Now, to a lot of the athletes are going to say, I'd love to play for Tressel. He's got our back. But Tressel, how do you go into a living room and say, I'm a man of integrity. I'm a man to watch out for your kids. I'm a man that, you'll never see kids turn in memorabilia for tattoos with my, oh, wait, it did happen on my watch. Jim Tressel may be fired. There's been 20-some coaches that have done things like this, including Bruce Pearl, including other people. Only one has retained her job, and it was a female. I don't know who she was. They're not even saying. Jim Tressel may end up getting fired. The heat is on at Ohio State, and how? How do you go into a family's living room and say, I'm a man of integrity, I'm a man of incredible straightforwardness, when you're not? You've been caught lying more than once, and if I ask for Bruce Pearl to be let go and Kelvin Sampson to be let go, I got to ask for Jim Tressel. Jimmy, you got books on leadership. Those books don't mean a thing. You've been outed, and it's an embarrassing situation. I'm just saying, brought to you by the fine folks at Vienna Beef.